This is SGT Times bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Suryansh Kataria and here's what's making headlines. Amit Shah tables key reform bills in Parliament. Tapasya wins India's first gold at Under-20 Worlds. UIDAI partners with Starlink for Aadhaar verification. Here we bring you the details. Union Home Minister Amit Shah introduced multiple bills including online gaming regulation and reforms for elected representatives. Here we bring you the details.
The Lok Sabha passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 to oversee esports, educational games and real money platforms. Along with this, Shah introduced the Government of Union Territories Bill 2025, the Constitutional 130th Amendment Bill 2025 and the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2025. These aims to strengthen accountability and bring stricter rules for elected representatives facing serious charges. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Teen wrestler Tapasya scripted history by clinching India's first gold medal at Bulgaria's Under-20 World Wrestling Championships. Let's know more about the news.
India's Tapasya won the 57 kg title at the Under-20 World Wrestling Championship with a 5-2 win over Norway's Domajeva. The 18-year-old has turned Japan's defending champion Sowaka Uchida in the semi-finale earlier. This victory makes her the first Indian to win the gold at this level, boosting India's wrestling hopes. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. UIDAI has onboarded Starlink, enabling Aadhaar-based eKYC for customers, strengthening India's digital identity and internet services. Let's have a look.
The Uday announced its partnership with Starlink, making Aadhaar authentication part of customer verification for satellite internet services. This will simplify onboarding through quick, paperless KYC while ensuring compliance with regulations. Officials say the move demonstrates India's robust digital infrastructure and global technology integration. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times, an initiative by the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.